Are you looking for a simple yet a very powerful 3D parametric software? Inside that, you can design machines, tools, jigs and fixture. If you are a student, you can get it for free. In this video, I'm going to talk with you about how we can download and install Siemens Solid Edge in your PC. Hey there everyone, my name is Pritam and you are watching Engineering with Pritam. So without further ado, let's dive in. So now here you can see we are at our computer screen, and let me actually open my internet browser, and here let me type download Siemens Solid Edge student version, and let's hit enter. And here we go. Here we can see the first link which talks about Solid Edge student version. Now here we have this first option which says company, so let's keep it blank. And now I'm gonna type my city name, so let me type here my city name and then my pin code, then country, and then here phone number, education level, and then graduation date, preferred language, and then here we have got few terms and conditions. For example, the software is not available for the students that are under age of 14, so you need to check this. And then here you also need to accept terms and condition. So after doing that, simply need to click on access download. And now here it is again asking us to enter company name, so I'm gonna write here student, and let's see. Now let's click again on access download. Now let's wait for a while, and there we go. Now here we can see the process of download has begun. So it is that easy, guys. We simply need to fill up this form and then we can see the download has begun. And there we go, we have successfully downloaded it. Now let me actually open the same file that we have downloaded, which is here. Now simply make a double click on it to run. So this will basically extract our setup, and then let's see. And there we go, here we can see our setup got started. Now here what we will be doing is we will be accepting the terms in the license agreement, and then here you can put your username. So let me put mine, and then here you can define your modeling standard. In my particular case, I'm gonna keep it as it is, which is isometric. But let's say you are from the region where you prefer ANSI or JIS, then you can go with that. Now let's also keep the installation location as default. Now let's click on install, and there we go. Here we can see the process of installation has begun. Now let's wait for a while. So now here you will see this message which is more of collecting a user interface setting. So you can either keep it yes or no, it's up to you. For example, in my particular case, I do not want to use it, therefore I'm going to click on no. And now let's click on finish. After that, let's click here on this menu button, and now I'm going to type Solid Edge. There we go. Here you can see the latest variant of Solid Edge, which is Solid Edge 2024. And then obviously it is student version. You need to agree to the terms and condition. And there we go, guys. Here we can see the interface is quite simple. When we compare this with any other 3D parametric model, even with Solid Edge elder sibling, which is Siemens NX, it looked quite simple, and actually it is. So for example, you want to create a new part, simply click on new part, and then we are in part modeling. And then it actually comes in two configurations. The first one is ordered, or I would say the conventional parametric modeling approach. The second one is synchronous, or I would say direct modeling. So most of us, if we are new, we will feel comfortable with ordered because this one is very simple to use. So let's go with ordered. And now here we can see we are inside Solid Edge part modeling environment. And now let's say I want to create a sketch. Simply click on sketch, and then here we can select a reference plane where we want to create the sketch, and then we can simply start working on it. So in this way, guys, we can download and install Siemens Solid Edge student version for free. I hope, guys, you find this video helpful and informational. If yes, then do like and subscribe to Engineering Pritam to see more such video. and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.